Okay, my peeps, let's make a cute hot cocoa mug tree ornament. So you're just gonna roll out your cookie dough clay, and I use like a scalloped edge cutter. This is gonna be the base for my little plate that my mug is gonna sit on. Then I took a piece of rolled up foil just to give my cookie texture. So now I'm going to get some white foam clay, and I'm just gonna roll it out into a marshmallow shape. This cookie's supposed to look like, you know, the kind that you make with the kids, with a cookie, a marshmallow, and a piece of candy cane. That's what this is gonna represent, okay? So I'm just gonna stick that on there with hot glue, but you can use tacky glue if you want. So I am going to use a pre-made candy cane. You can get those from Playco 3, or you can make your own, but that's going to be the handle to my hot cocoa mug. And then I'm going to stick a peppermint on the front of the mug, okay? See how cute it's coming along. So now I'm going to use my slick paint to make the hot cocoa inside the mug. You could also use your mixture of Mod Podge paint and caulk. That'll work as well. I got the teeny tiniest marshmallows you ever did see, and I'm going to put those on top of my hot cocoa. And then I'm going to decorate the plate that the hot cocoa is on. I'm just using a dotting tool to put green and red dots on the border of my plate, just to make it look cuter, give it some, you know, dimension, because it looks pretty plain just like that. So this is something easy to do. You just do every other one is green and every other one is going to be a red dot, okay? Pretty easy to do. Even the grandkids or the kids can help you make these. You can make a ton of these. These are pretty easy to make. So you go around the whole mug until you finished it up, and I'm gonna take my ornament hook, and I'm just gonna stick it inside my mug, and there you go, guys. There's your ornament. Isn't that the cutest little ornament you ever did see? And here it goes, hanging in my tree. Hope you make some. Talk to you soon. Bye.